Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So if you like this channel and you like what you see, please subscribe, please share the video and let somebody else know the good news, and also check out the links below. There are some links that go over to Amazon. It may be something that you may see that you may need for your house. If you don't see it, click on the link and it'll still take you to Amazon and you can shop till you drop. Okay? Alright, so we're going to make a pork tenderloin. B.B.Q pork tenderloin in the air fryer oven. B.B.Q pork tenderloin in the air fryer oven. Let's get started. Okay, so here's my pork tenderloin. I already put Grandma Ray Don't Play own seasoning on it that I'm still working on, so that's why I can't present it to you yet. But you can use whatever seasoning you like, okay? Alright, so the rack is already oiled as well as the drop tray. We're going to put that in. Okay. And we're going to turn it on. Let's cook that on 370 is okay. And let's go with over 15 minutes, and then I messed up. I hit the off button. Why did I do that? 370, 15 minutes, and we're off. Okay, and then we'll check it in 15 minutes and we'll turn it over and cook it on the other side. Okay, meanwhile I'll get the barbecue sauce ready so that we can immediately barbecue it. Okay, alright, we'll be back. Okay, so our first 15 minutes have stopped on our barbecue pork tenderloin. Let's pull it out. Okay, let me let you get a view. It's not done. We're going to turn it over. And we're going to cook it for another 15 minutes. I can get this on. Oh wow, come on Rachel. There we go. Same temperature, 370, 15 minutes. And we'll be back when that's done. Okay, so as you can see, we have 4 minutes left on our total. We set the time for 15 minutes first, and then we set it for another 15 minutes. And we have 4 minutes left of that 30 minutes. So if we subtract that, 26 minutes it's been cooking. So we're going to take a peek. We got to put our barbecue sauce on. Let's take it out. Let me let you get a view. Okay, let's take a temperature. I'll put it right through the middle. We're going to see what that comes to. Okay, so when you see the thermometer slowing down and the numbers are not coming as fast as they were when you first started, then you know that it's not going to get to your temperature. Okay, so we're at 142. We're going to have to put that back in. But before we put that back in, we're going to put our barbecue sauce on. So I want to put it on my bottom side first. Barbecue sauce, okay? Just pour it on. Okay, and Let me take my rack out because I'm going to flip the barbecue side already, the side that already have the barbecue sauce on it down. Okay, you see that? Okay. And now we're going to put our barbecue sauce on the top side. We're not going to turn it anymore. All right. I want to do one more thing. I want to put a little water in my drip tray, just a little. Okay, don't make sure it doesn't run over. And the reason why I'm doing that is, you know, barbecue sauce is sticky. So that will help with the cleanup. It won't stick as bad. Okay. Let me get rid of this. Okay. We have to increase the time because it's not done. So I'm going to put another 5 minutes on the 3 minutes that's remaining. So that would take me to 8 minutes. Okay, and we'll check the temperature then, alright? And we'll be back in 8 minutes. Okay, so our pork tenderloin is out and it's at temp. It's 159, that's good for pork. Okay, let me let you get a view. Here we go, how about that, huh? Looks pretty good, right? Okay, and let's take a taste. Okay, let me let you see me take a taste. Oh, need to adjust the camera up more. There we go. Okay. The barbecue sauce is awesome. You gotta try it with the barbecue sauce. And you know, a tenderloin is very, very tender. It's very, very good. I think you'll like it. Okay, let's take another view of that. How about that, huh? Okay, let me finish chewing and give the word of the day. Okay, so the word of the day. The word of the day is, okay, maybe you have a child or a relative that is constantly in your pocket. They need to borrow money continuously. So I have a solution for that. Why don't you tell them, bring their money over when they get their money. You're going to sit down and make a budget out for them. And then you're going to give them an allowance. And part of that allowance you're going to keep for them. So when they need some money, when they ask about you and your money in your pocket, you can pull out their money and say, hey, this is what we saved out. That's your money, and you can have this, or you can have part of this, and if you spend that, then you're not going to have any. And I think that'll help them to curb from asking you for your money. Okay? Alright, check out the links below, and please subscribe if this is your first time on the channel. Share the video, and much love to you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.